Hey guys, welcome welcome back. So today I wanted to talk about a lot of people have been given a lot of SNAP benefits. And I've even heard of people, selling them. I'm not judging nobody on what you gotta do. But this is not the time to be trying to sell none of this stuff. If anything, you need to stock up on the essential items you need in your home. If you are not familiar with the term homesteaders, please spend a little bit of time watching and paying attention to what people have really done with what they have and made it last, made it stretch. They have taken their meats and preserved them and made it to where if everything went out like the power, these people will be able to warm their food up or eat it cold, and everything is preserved and intact. Whereas, you know, in many areas it's hurricane season, and of course you have to get all the essentials for hurricane season. But at the same time, if you live in an area between June and September and you're hit, I remember a storm hit and it was like 2 hours, no, 10 days, no power. That's when you found out community, what type of community you live in, because people came together and used what they had and came together with their neighbors. They pulled their grills out, cooked the food. See, that's something also that's important to have. So it's more so of preparing for emergencies, but also paying attention to what's going on and what's not being told and what's discussed in the world right now.